What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I've made a video on that, but since I have the time now to just because we're stuck at home, so I'm going to make videos every single day, and today's video is about a really special thing. So there was this topic on Aversity's forum, and this inspired a lot of good conversation around this. So I wanted to make a video to talk about this really interesting strategy that one of our members is using to make money on Aversity. Now, obviously, this strategy is kind of exclusive to Aversity, but you can actually use this for your own funnels, whatever you're promoting. So it's a very cool way to make money, and it's pretty interesting because it's pretty easy to implement and extremely effective. Alright, guys? So the thing is, one more thing before we start, this video was supposed to be a members only video, but I decided to just publish this part publicly, but the second part is going to be on Aversity, so if you remember, definitely check it out. But it's pretty cool because this is going to teach you a lot of cool stuff about promoting products online. All right, guys, and making money. And obviously this member is making a good amount of money online every month, so really interesting stuff to learn. All right, guys, so let's get it started and let's talk about this really cool strategy. This video is very special because this is a community inspired video, because I saw this post recently on our forum, and when I looked into it, I realized that this is a strategy that we've been using. I mean, it's a very simple strategy to earn commissions, not just Aversity, but it particularly works with Aversity. I'll explain why. But it's a very interesting strategy if you're promoting Aversity products, or if you're an Aversity member, gold, done for you, platinum, anything, and you're trying to earn Aversity commissions on Aversity. This is a very powerful strategy because we have everything that we need to set this up as fast as possible. So I saw this and I realized, okay, this would be a good idea to make a video and just kind of show these stuff step by step to you guys, so you can actually use it to make some commissions, extra commissions on Aversity. So it's a very interesting strategy. So what I'm going to do, since this is going to take a while to set up, not too long, but just to keep it simple, I'm going to divide this into two videos. The first one, I'm just going to do the outline and draw this for you, explain it a little bit. And then the second one, I'm actually going to set this whole thing up in front of you so you see an example of it in action. Alright, so what is the strategy? So the strategy, first of all, this is the topic that was posted because I actually had a conversation with Kate. She's one of our members. And the thing is, this was a very interesting strategy. And this was posted right now that I'm recording this video. This was posted when about 2 days ago, I guess, a day and a half. I'm not sure. Yeah, so yeah, 2 days ago. So this was posted about 2 days ago, and this is a post where one of our members shared a strategy that she's been using to make Aversity commissions. Now, it's not a lot. How much was it? She's doing, based on what she's saying, she's doing 2 to 4K a month. And you know, this was a very interesting strategy because I realized that we're actually using this strategy as well. So what's this strategy? So a strategy is pretty simple. You know, you have an opt-in page, and then you have a pre-sale page, then you have an Aversity product after that. Now this can be anything. I explain what I do for this, but then upgrades with emails. Okay, now this is very interesting because you have everything you need to set this up on Aversity. Okay, so the opt-in page is pretty simple. Now again, she actually explained every single step here. So opt-in page is pretty simple, and then we got the pre-sale page, and then we got the upgrades, and then the rest of it. Now, opt-in page and pre-sale page are kind of tied together. Here's why. So because the thing is, for the pre-sale page, let's say this is your pre-sale page, okay, and for your pre-sale page, one of the things that you're going to be doing, okay, is you're going to use content that is already done. In this case, she actually used one of my videos, okay, one of my YouTube videos. So this can be anything. So based on what you're providing on the pre-sale page, okay, you can based on your pre-sale page, you're going to actually create your opt-in page. Okay, so for example, if you did a video, if you chose one of my ClickBank videos as your pre-sale page, you're gonna design your opt-in page and that says, hey, learn how to sell ClickBank products, right? So opt-in, sorry, I'm just writing with the mice. So this would be opt-in page. All right, so yes, that would be the opt-in page, right? And then again, opt-in page name and email, and then goes to the pre-sale page, right? And then from pre-sale page, obviously you send someone to a product. In this case, now the one that I'm going to design in front of you, the one that I'm going to do training for you, that would be next video, part 2 of this training. That is going to be a ClickBank training product. I'll explain why, because the pre-sale video that I'm going to use is about ClickBank. So we're going to use a ClickBank course. All right, so yeah. So then again, this would be a product, okay? And then again, this would be the sales page. And then you have the follow-ups. Now this is the important part, because it's not just about like getting people to watch a pre-sale content, but it's about doing a follow-up. And with Aversity, one of the features that you have is that you actually can make money off of follow-ups. Okay, so you can actually make money off of follow-ups. If you actually go to a partners program here, the open referral tool, you can actually earn money there. You can watch the whole training video about this, but you can actually make money off of just sending people to Aversity blog posts. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's a very interesting feature. For example, let's go to the blog real quick. Let's say I want to send them to this. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy this, drop this right here, generate URL. There you go. So we have a nice, blog post, blog post that is going to make us money. So actually, if you want to learn more, you got to watch this video. But the idea here is that with this, you can actually make money off of every click as well. Okay, so this way, every click that you send to your links here is also going to make you money. Okay, let me actually show you an example. But yeah, so you can actually make money off of the clicks as well. So and also when they land on these pages, if they end up buying the product, you will also make money on that too. So again, it's like a double win, right? You make money off of every click that you send from your funnel back to those links, back to those blog posts. The blog post itself is going to actually sell for you because it's a good pre-sale content, right? And then when the sale is made, you're going to actually make money, and you make money off of clicks. So that's the thing. That's the interesting thing with this strategy. Let's go back to the forum here. So that's the thing that is very powerful with this strategy, is because it's because it works and it makes you money on every level. You get the lead, you show them the pre-sale page, and then there's a potential for you to make money up front with the lead, and then when you send them to these links, you also make money off of clicks, and then again, if the sale is made, you're gonna make money off of that sale. So that's the good thing with this system. Okay, that's a good thing with the system, and that's what we're going to build. So in next video, what I'm going to do, actually let me actually show you. I forgot about this. So this is actually what I mean by this clicks. So as you get a commission for verified visits. So this is how it's going to look like in your dashboard when you do this. You're going to just see these commissions. So in next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually set this whole thing up step by step. So we're going to do it from the end, right? So we're going to and this is I'm sure you know this. This is something I've mentioned before. When you want to build a funnel, you want to do it from the end to the beginning. So we're going to do the funnel first, and then and then we're going to build the pre-sale page, right? And then we're going to do the opt-in page. This way, everything is ready as we go down the funnel. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is a very great strategy. If you already know what you want to do or what you want to set up for this, definitely do it. This is a very powerful strategy. It's a really good strategy to just make you money constantly. Even if you're not making any sales, you're gonna make money off of your clicks, which is pretty nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let us know if you have any questions. Let your coach know, or the support. You can always contact us. Also, watch out for the next part. That's going to come out probably in a couple of days. And yeah, so that's going to be awesome. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for being an Aversity member. And I look forward to see your posts and your content in the community, in the forum. So don't be shy, just post whatever you want. If you have any questions, if you need anything, always, community is the best place to actually ask your questions. You're gonna get answers pretty quick from our members. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value from this. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm posting cool videos every single day, so subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, and click the link in the description. If you're not an Aversity member, you can join Aversity through that link. And also, again, join our community. Okay, we have an awesome community that you can join and just learn a lot of cool stuff from. So if you actually go to Aversity, you can join the forum for free if you're not a member. If you're a member, you already have access to the forum. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm glad to be back and glad to be making videos every single day. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.